Guys, so I'm back after 24 hours. This is the next video of the Revlon Live Boldly challenge, and this is my face 24 hours. I fell asleep with this makeup on, and you can see that. I forgot to take it off, so I guess I did actually a 24-hour challenge, which yeah, I think the makeup did what it did. Actually, it did stay on my face. Half of it came off on my blanket because I've got this big nice warm blanket, and I fell asleep putting the baby to bed, and somehow I woke up at 6 a.m. It's so bright and sunny this morning, so I thought I'd come and do a natural sunlight check-in. And you know, some of the eyeshadow is gone now compared to the first video I showed you. Part one of the video, my makeup was flawless yesterday. Okay, the lips is still there, so that matte lipstick is very good. I'll put the information down below if you want it of what I was wearing on my lips. But yeah, this is the day after, guys. Wearing the Revlon Colorstay foundation. I'll try and do a close up. You can see all the little flaws, like some of the makeup did come off, but it did pretty well. My eyebrows are a bit off as well. They all went into the sheets. Well, not the sheets, the blanket. But I do not like sleeping with foundation, but my skin's pretty good if I do forget to wipe it off. But now I'm going to clean my face and get ready for the day, because I'm not going to go out looking like this. But I'm really loving the foundation and the consistency of it. I used two foundations, so I used one as a concealer, which paid off. Would I just use any concealer on my face? This is all foundation, and I just set my face with Sacha Buttercup and a bit of powder from NYX Cosmetics, and you know, a little bit of contour and blush, and that was it. So I'm going to show you what I look like in the sun, and then I'm going to show you also the foundations, and then that'll be it, guys. I am done doing this Live Boldly test. I've put my kids to bed. I slept with this makeup on. I had a whole day yesterday with it on, and it's still on my face. So well done, Revlon, well done. I like it. This is the box they sent me again, and let me just come out of the sun for a bit and show you if you can. Hopefully you can see me. I'm not too dark. 1 minute it's too sunny, next bit it's too dark. But this was the one I used as a concealer. That's the shade Golden Caramel, and the one I wore as my foundation was the shade Caramel. So that's what I'm wearing. So yeah, you can see that it is very good. I really like it. I'm actually in front of the sunlight right now, and it is blinding me, but I'm loving the sun. Oh, London, I thank you for the sun, but it's whew, I can't even do this video. But you see how the foundation looks on my skin, guys. This is after 24 hours. I can't even look up. My eyes are watering. The sun is just whew, making me hot. But this is what it looks like in the sunshine after 24 hours. So I'm gonna go and do a fresh face, because this foundation is good, okay? And it's very affordable. It promises 24-hour coverage, so it did that, I guess. If I didn't sleep so rough, I probably look better than this. But I'm happy with the two foundations that I received. Thank you so much, Revlon, for sending me the two foundations to do this Live Boldly challenge or campaign. I am actually loving the foundation. This is going to be my everyday foundation now. I'm loving it. And this is my real review, my honest review. If it didn't look good, I would say it didn't look good, but you know, it is looking so good for something I went sleeping and add on the day before. So I thought I'd come by and do this. Whew. Sorry about the frowning and my watery eyes, but I'm gonna go now, guys. Revlon Colorstay foundation. They have a good range. I don't know if they have a lot of makeup for everybody, for every complexion, but they are very, very good formulas. And yeah, I recommend anybody that's looking for good drugstore or affordable foundation. It is pretty good. Alright, peace guys, see you again in another one, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want me to review any more affordable foundations, or if you would like to send me any makeup, please don't hesitate to message me or email me. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Ooh, spring is definitely here guys, so look out for more hauls from me and all of that jazz. See you. Bye. Got again, and this is what's in the box. I got these two foundations. I took the top off that one because I'm about to use it now, but that's the name of the foundation, Revlon Colorstay, and combination oily, and they sent me 2 shades to try out. It is a very good foundation, so I definitely recommend you go out and try that, guys, if you haven't already. And if you have, let me know what your thoughts are on it. Do you like it? You know, how do you feel about it? And I'm glad because today is so sunny and it has SPF 15 in there, so yes, it's gonna protect my skin, guys. I'm all for that. But I'll see you guys in another one. Bye guys.